Well, this is our process of how we manufacture control arms for ATVs and UTVs. We start off our process with this machine here, which is a Bentec Dragon A250. And what it is a CNC tubing notcher. So we design all of our products through 3D CAD, and we run it through the software, and then it lays it out for our machine to cut, and then our machine cuts everything for us. It notches our tubing. It shows all of our bend locations. It tells us exactly what degrees to bend it to, and it names the part. So we know each part and how to locate it and where it goes and building it. And then once we pull it out of that machine, we bring it over here and put it on our JD Squared Model 53 CNC bender, which is a hydraulic bender. And this gives us a consistent bend every time. And we come over here to our fixturing, and those fit into our fixturing, and that way we can produce a consistent part every time. This will also tell us if something's wrong with the bends or the cut and how it's designed, and be able to see that in here because it won't fit. It's designed to just be specific and consistent to where when we put it in there, it lines up, everything fits, and if it doesn't, then something's wrong. We need to check and solve that problem. So then from there, we come over here to weld, and we have a couple weld stations set up. We TIG weld everything that we have that comes through here. And we come over to our blasting area, and this is where we blast all of our parts in this old engine blaster, which has worked really well. We used to take 45 minutes to blast 4 sets of arms, 1 unit, and now we can get 8 arms, 2 units into this blaster in 7 minutes and be able to get those out. So it's been a huge time saver for us and allows us to get a nice white blast on everything and get everything really cleaned up. Then we come on over here to our powder coating station, which is where we powder coat all of our stuff in-house, and we offer a variety of different colors. And we set everything up, prep it for powder, and then it goes through the station here to powder, and then onto our oven. Our oven, we run about 16 to 18 minutes at 400 degrees, process flowed, and then be able to get all that taken care of, and we get a really nice finish on our product. That allows a strong finish that lasts, it's durable, and it looks much better than paint, and it has a lot longer lasting life. He's finishing up a single arm here for this kit for a customer, and what he'll do is he'll put bushings in, he'll get everything set up. We test fit everything through go and no-go gauges that are basically a simulation of the frame. So it's like bolting it on a frame and checking it to make sure everything fits. So we check everything before it gets boxed up. Everything must fit through those gauges or it has to be redone and adjusted. And we have a machine that we can adjust and size everything to make it fit exactly right. Once everything's tested, everything fits and all together, we back check everything on the order, make sure the order's correct, and then it goes into packing. And so then we pack everything up through a process that we learned through our packing company. So you'll never see a box that's broken open. And then once we do that, we put our final sticker on it, our Made in the USA sticker, because we're fully made in the USA, and we do 99% of everything in-house right now. And then once we do that, it gets packed up and then goes to the UPS store to be shipped out to the customer. And that's the process.